Hi, I'm Susan. Today I am going to be showing you my other finished Green Gables journal, and I have got a new set of digitals out. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm going to start with my journal, and I want to thank Christine for sending me those pages. They are beautiful, and I had a lot of fun. And this is just a single signature, and I love the fabric that's on it. It's got a little bit of a lace on it, and I just did a collage for the topper. Open this. It's got a it's tied with seam bonding or crinkly. I can get it undone. All right. So I mean, they're beautiful. I had the other Green Gables, and I really love this. To me is more of the traditional, although I like the ones that I had. I didn't see these when I was looking for digitals when I was making my other although I like the other one. This one to me feels more like the traditional of Green Gables. And see, I have got this pocket that I made, Crafty Cat, and it's lots of writing space in this journal. I have it up on my Etsy shop. It took me all night. I just cannot get through that quickly for no amount of reason. I've got some tags that came with it and some that I've made myself. We have got some beads, more pockets, which I made, I think 50 stack challenge. Some of my flower garden tags that I learned from Gail Augustinelli. It's got a fabric flip. It's got this cute paper clip that I got from a friend mail, and a cute little card. And I just stuck some ephemera there and just made some little things to play with, and got a vintage postcard that's hard for me to turn loose of. See, I can't really tell. 1910, I believe, is the date. I think it's beautiful. It's so easy for me to hoard things like that because I don't have a lot of it. But I'm trying to be good. Got another one of those tags and a big journaling card. And beautiful papers that Christine sent me. I've got an altered playing card that I'm using as a tuck. It's got lace. Got some vellum pages. More beautiful pages that were sent to me with this. A little bit of lace, or ribbon, I should say. More cards and tucks. A little bit of paint paper. I like the crinkleness of it. A little short page that came with it. More ribbon. Got beads. Got the center, which has got some charms and beads. Coffee dyed paper. Got a vintage tea card here, and this is just a digital. It's hard for me to get rid of those things. And we have got a waterfall, so you can write there. And more tucks, lots of ephemera to write on, lots of writing space, because I just had the digital and I just stamped the flowers on the back to give it some interest. I didn't do a lot of distressing on the pages, or any, because it was such a bright, happy journal. I didn't want to distress it. Some of the ephemera is distressed. Got the little tiny pocket that's got things in it. Of course, now I can't get it back in. There we go. And let's see. Got a playing card with the lighthouse, because if you continue reading, like I'm reading Anne's House of Dreams, and they're living at, I think it's Four Winds. I believe that's what they call it. Or 4 Points, something like that. And they live close to a lighthouse where Captain Jim lives. So I just got little ephemera tucked in all over. This is something I got from Rebecca Wills. It's got the thread on there. Cute little card. Another little, this also came from Rebecca. A little paper clip. And also this belly band came from there. And I love the color. And just got some stuff tucked under it. Another pocket that I made with Amy at Crafty Cat, and more beads. And the back page. And I hope you like this journal. It was fun to make. And I am, like I said, I've got it up on my Etsy shop if you're interested. And now for my digitals. This is called Spring Love. And I have got just beautiful spring pictures. I've got background pages too that's light enough to write on. I love this. I hope you do as well. Just different pages. These are nice writing pages. And I have a lot of fun with this. I feel like I'm learning. I still got a long way to go in doing digitals, but it's a lot of fun getting there. I thought that was a pretty page. And I've got tags. Good many tags. And got just images that's fun to play with. And I made some labels. And some pockets. So there are 26 pages in this kit. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. I love y'all. Take care. And until next time, bye y'all.